Russia's state defense conglomerate Rostec says the Uralvagonzavod plant has delivered another batch of TOS-1A, Solntsepyok, heavy flamethrower systems to the Ministry of Defense. The delivery was announced ahead of the country's Day of Radiation, Chemical and Biological Protection Troops, a date often used by Moscow to highlight equipment tied to these units. According to the announcement, the systems were transferred to military units equipped with TOS-1A launchers, which are built on a T-72 tank chassis. The company said the vehicles received upgraded combined protection modules installed on the launcher section. These additions are intended to protect the upper hemisphere of the system from various types of unmanned aerial vehicles. The announcement said the improvements were developed, taking into account the combat experience of the TOS systems. One of the vehicles included a slogan painted by factory workers reading, "For Kirillov," a reference to retired Lieutenant General Igor Kirillov, the former commander of Russia's radiation, chemical, and biological protection forces. Rostec said the dedication was made because he made an invaluable contribution to the creation, adoption, and modernization of heavy flamethrower systems, according to the translated text. Rostec also said that testing is underway on a modernized TOS variant built on the T-80 tank chassis. The company described the upgraded version as incorporating improvements that increase range, accuracy, and automation. No additional specifications were provided, and the Ministry of Defense has not published further details on the scope of the upgrades. The TOS-1A, manufactured by Uralvagonzavod and operated by Russia's troops, is one of the most widely used heavy flamethrower systems in Russian service. The system fires thermobaric rockets from a 24-tube launcher and is typically deployed near frontline areas due to its short range. Rostec says the system continues to be used in the war in Ukraine. In the announcement, the company stated that TOS-1A crews effectively destroy fortified strongpoints, UAV command posts, and enemy armored vehicles in the frontline zone. No operational details, locations, or dates were provided to support those claims.